This is a brand new 2013 Lincoln MKT. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a twin-turbocharged forced induction system, power-adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, cooled seats, an 8-speaker stereo system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, aluminum wheels, high-intensity headlights, leather seats, a rear spoiler, the Securilock anti-theft system, LED taillights, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Libertyville Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 941 South Milwaukee Avenue in Libertyville.